our way to AA Fantasy to have lunch with Dave, Got to Love Thailand, and Andrew and Kwan.
Today we come to eat at AA Fantasy Bar and Restaurant. Very nice place. We have lunch today. Really beautiful. Very nice place. YouTuber meeting at AA Fantasy Restaurant. We have very good hamburger. Bobby, Andy, and Kwan. And yeah, they're from Got to Love Thailand. Yay! Okay.
We put you close by. Oh, okay. Andrew, Bobby, Guy.
ที่แต่คนทำวิดีโอเลย
ค่ะทำวิดีโอ
Alright. Ladies or guys?
No, but if you like a burger, this burger,
Hi, there.
this burger is really big. It's almost a half pound.
Oh, they got pizza too. What else is there? Are you? A kebab?
Chicken.
I haven't had a burger in a while. Yeah, I think I'll get it. Guy? I'm ordering this one.
Yeah, I order already. Yeah, very good. Recommend. Very good. Now everyone have
Yeah,
food.
I can sell it to you. $10. Wow, that's good. Casada. Hello. Yeah.
ใครกะเพราหมูไข่ดาวน่าทานมากเลยเนาะสุดยอดเลยเอาทานเลยจ้าแบบไก่น่าทานมากเลย
Yeah. Okay. Well, another time. There's other time.
ยัมมี่ยัมมี่
The size of this double cheeseburger. It's a Whopper. It's almost a half pound of beef. I'm so excited I can't get the.
I also burger yummy
They're all the same. Are you recording? Okay, we finished up our meal. We're here with Dave from Got to Love Thailand. Andrew and Kwan, friends of ours here in Surin. And me and Dave killed our hamburgers. There's nothing left but napkins and silverware. Andrew couldn't finish off his meal. We had a wonderful meal. This is great. Me and Jai both for 500 baht. So anyhow, if you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai. We're trying to get going.